Hello, my name is Ayan Datta and I am going to talk about our paper on a two approximation algorithm for the online tethered coverage problem. We assume the environment to be polygonal. It is discretized into cells of size d by d. The robot is assumed to be of the same size. The robot is attached to a fixed base point, a cell in the environment with a cable of length L. Initially, the environment is unknown to the robot. Obstacles might occupy some of the cells. The robot will have to detect and avoid them on the fly while covering all the free cells such that the travel cost is minimized. The main idea is to build a tree map on the fly, having the base station as the root of the tree. The numbers on the cells indicate the Manhattan distances called contours from the base station to each cell. The robot follows a depth-first search from the station while building the tree dynamically. If the cable does not reach a cell in the environment, the robot will backtrack from there. From S, the north cell will be visited first and will be added as a child node of S. Next, the north cell of this cell, which is contour 2, left column, third row from the bottom, will be added as a child node of the contour 1 node. The cells occupied by obstacles will not be added to the tree. One sample environment and its corresponding tree map can be seen on the right. As the tree does not contain any cycle, we can exclusively avoid the tangling of the cable by following a tree traversal for the coverage. Our algorithm guarantees a two approximation. This is a significant improvement from the state-of-the-art of 2L over D approximation. As can be seen, our approximation result does not depend on any parameter of the model. The proofs can be found in the paper. We have also shown that for certain scenarios, the two approximation bound is optimal. A sample scenario is illustrated on the right, where the robot first will go north and have to come back to the base point before it can cover the rest of the environment. We have tested our approach in simulation on a desktop computer on 5 different configurations, which can be seen in the next slide. We have validated our theoretical two approximation bound in the test cases as well. As can be seen in the figure on the top right, our proposed approach outperforms the state-of-the-art algorithm for the same problem in terms of path length covered by the robot. Runtime is another performance metric in our test cases. Results show that the runtime is negligible for large environments. For example, our algorithm takes only 150 seconds to completely cover a 400 by 400 environment. As expected, with higher percentage of obstacles, the length of the traverse paths to cover the environment and corresponding runtimes go down. Here you can see the test environments and the corresponding paths followed by the robot to cover it. We are sorry to not be able to present physically at the conference. We would like to thank you all for attending our talk.